Hello! Welcome to Blue-Siesta. This time I'm traveling to Maldives. So, let's start packing! I have already uploaded few videos of how I pack for a scuba diving trip. Personally, packing is the least fun moment for me. But at the same time, I know that it is the most important part to have a successful trip. I will write in the description below the link of few videos I uploaded in the past. Before all the equipment goes in the luggage, I display it in one place so I can check everything for the last time. Now comes the easiest part. Put everything in the diving bag and let's go to the airport. Bye.